That was the time I took a break from my 23 years of career in the IT industry in various positions, including the leadership position. It was the time that the pandemic had just set in. Due to the national lockdown, businesses were closing and there was a lot of chaos in the country. I happened to be talking to one of our relatives who has a mango plantation. The crops were ready and the demand had tanked. I kind of tried to help him by liquidating his mango crop, and it was a unique experience where we took it as a challenge and reached out to many residential complexes, and we were able to successfully sell our produce. We were able to successfully delight the customers, giving them straight from farm mangoes, and it was a win-win for the customer as well as for the seller. So that's how we started. My name is Amarendra Biswas. I'm the promoter and CEO of a small business called Just Fruits. As the name suggests, we are about fruits. We treat our customers not just as our customers, but also as an extended Just Fruits family. I would like to give the best to my family. So similarly, with the same spirit, I serve my customers. Today, we are much more than fruits. We are about healthy eating habits. We talk to them about our products and get them into a healthy eating habits, making fruits and vegetables as part of their regular diet. We have extended our product portfolio to fruit cakes, pizzas using vegetables straight from the farm. We align with the community not just by offering them the best-in-class fruits and vegetables, which are hand-picked, highly graded, direct from farms, and are safe to eat. And most of them are lab-tested for pesticides, chemicals which can be very harmful to health. When we started, we were offline. It was more of word of mouth and the customer experience which got us business, and we started scaling up using those good references. There was a time where it became too much to share the pricing with the customer offline, making just WhatsApp or Telegram groups for various different apartment complexes and manage the customers, manage the catalog, responding to the customer on the pricing, so on and so forth. Scaling any business, you will have to do a couple of things which gets you off from the mundane tasks. Now, Dukaan exactly did that for us, where we got a fantastic platform which was on a subscription-based model, which provided us all the benefits of having an online web page with not just cataloging but also ordering facility, where we could run various promotions as well. This business is very dynamic in terms of the pricing. It helps me to add on products in a jiffy. So Dukaan helped us to automate our entire sales process and helped us to achieve the customer delight which we always goal for. All I need is a smartphone and I'm on top of my business.